Hey guys, welcome to my unboxing channel. Looks like Santa Claus has brought us a couple presents. Actually one present. Just one present. Now we are not unlike any other unboxing channel. We like to do things a little differently. So you would open this mail, just like tearing through with your hands, all kind of, you know, standard unboxing videos. Boring, right? Well, I prefer to use the method of my forefathers and my ancestors to my ancestors were natives, were a bit of natives, and they would cut their boxes open with a bit of an apostrophe blade. That's another thing about this channel. This is also an educational channel. So yeah. So we have another art that my our ancestors performed in the olden days is the forgotten art, really, of knife throwing. Watch, I'm gonna yeet this knife over here. It's gonna be epic. Stop. Ah! Ah! Frick! Watch this, guys. I'm gonna do a knife trick. Watch this. Shoot. Did I get a cut on my hand? Did I cut my hand? No. Okay. Okay, so that was epic. And we also have, appears to be a carton of milk. And we also have some Expo dry erase markers and one crazy glue. Shoot. Alright guys, we've moved up about half a foot upwards to the art studio where I have my trusty easel, and we're gonna paint a gosh dang masterpiece. Yeah, a masterpiece. First, we're going for the writing test. We're gonna smear a marker onto the canvas, the easel. We'll see if it lasts. Alright, first up, standard blue marker. Just whoops, looks like there's no marking. Shoot! There's no marking on the easel, so I'm gonna yeet that one. I'm gonna yeet. Next up on our test list is the brown Expo marker, and I don't know if you can see this, but let me see if I can yeah, see that? Low odor. So if you're at your grandmother's funeral and you want to use a dry erase marker, the odor isn't gonna distract everyone from the proceedings going on. All right, let's test this puppy out. I feel like this easel's like broken. Yeah, it's like broken on this one. Like, it's not screwed in or something. Yeah, it's not screwed in. I think we've learned what we want to. I think we can yeet this one as well. You, buddy, have been selected to die. Next up is the red and blue dual marker. Kind of reminds me of the sword from Phantom Menace that Darth Maul uses. I will destroy you. I have the power of God and anime on my side. I best not catch y'all watching 24/7 lo-fi hip-hop beats to study/relax to. I will fight you. You're outmatched. Let's see. Well, the blue certainly doesn't work. That's a gosh dang disappointment. What about the red? And the red doesn't work too. That's a dead one. That's a dead one right there. Next up is the red and green. Red and green. Christmas colors. Very, very, very festive. Very festive. Good for good for Christmas parties. You can can gift this to someone, and they'll appreciate you as a new member of the family. All right, let's see this. Would you look at that? Green. It's good. See the red. Let's stand up. Well, and it's low order too, so there's another selling point. Here's another reason to gift it to someone. Shoot, I dropped it. No! Look at that! Magnifico!
You want to know how I got these scars? My father was an unboxing YouTuber.
Our last hecking marker on the list is the green Expo marker. And as you can see, it's low odor. Yeah, buddy. Let's peep this out. Whoa, that draws it in a green. Well, there you have it, folks. So if you want to buy a marker, it better be these two. Brother. Hope y'all enjoyed this unboxing video. I think this channel is really gonna go someplace. It's not gonna die in a week. And tune in next time when I do some more knife tricks. Shoot. Breaking news. Man with knife goes crazy, goes insane in his own attic. Breaking news. Sans Undertale. Breaking news. JonTron uploaded. Breaking news. McDonald's ice cream machine broke. Understandable. Have a great day. Hey, guys, look. It's Sans